Congratulations, you found the turbo return line video that makes the repair super easy. Just follow these steps and tips and your car will be running in no time. Take off the 3 bolts that hold your manifold shield in place. You can use an E10 socket or an 8mm 6-point socket for this. Break loose the 3 exhaust flange nuts on the bottom side of your car. I recommend spraying them with penetrant spray just to help them come off a little easier. And when you take it off, you can let the flex pipe dangle there. Next, disconnect the front O2 sensor plug. We just want it loose because we have to move the catalytic converter a little bit. Step 4, loosen the clamp that holds the catalytic converter to the exhaust manifold. It's called a V-clamp and it should be a 13mm. Next, loosen the nut right here and the bolt up here so the catalytic converter can wiggle a little. Then, bring down your plastic undershielding so you can fit a socket to the return line. These are your 2 bolts you need to remove. They are E10 bolts, but an 8mm should also work. Step 7, remove your old plastic return line. I did not show removing the bolts, but if you wait just 30 seconds, I show the exact ratchet setup you need to get them off easily. And then gently pry out the bottom part and pull out the old crappy return line. 2 helpful tips. Make sure the surface looks clean for the new gasket on the top side, and very important, check that the plastic tip on the return line didn't break inside the bottom hole. If it did, just pry it out with a curved pick to get it out. Also, compare the number of O-rings that come out versus the new return line so none of them get stuck in the car by accident. Last is installing your new return line. I got an upgraded metal one. It's unbelievable that they come stock with plastic ones. Here's the moment you've probably been waiting for. Use a long extension or many extensions with a swivel tip to reach the bolts. And you shouldn't have to move the catalytic converter much to get to them. I hope you found this video quick and informative so you waste the least amount of time getting your car back on the road. I'll see you guys in the next one.